Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of September the 25th to October the 1st. So with that weird break in the week of September to October, we do have a new month over at Walgreens. So we're going to talk about that in just a quick second. If you go to your digital coupons folder at the very top, one of my accounts, only one, received this booster, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $50. Well, it's better than the $65 one or whatever it is, the big one. So a couple rules for you guys. It's valid in that window of September the 21st to October the 1st. One paper and one digital tend to stack. If you are so lucky to receive a paper register reward from the Catalina machine, you will be in business. Do not use any IVC, store register rewards, or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up, as it's a spend booster. Use your debit card, credit card, or bills for the balance. And this is also of a one-time use. As we have a new month, we're going to have new monthly deals. The big book of savings that you find at the front of the store that have all the IVC coupons, that is going to be 100% digital. So I think you're going to have to be really strategic as per the IVC deals you want to do or how you want to use those Walgreens coupons. Just be mindful of that because digitals are a one and done. And this weekend, are we getting the October P&G? If you buy the newspaper over at Walgreens or a gas station or at your grocery store, you might want to thumb through and see if that October P&G has landed this weekend. Okay, first thing we're going to talk about is this, which is to earn a $5 reward when you spend $20. That is a spend offer. So, yeah, it's really going to affect how you do these deals, but we'll talk about it bite by bite. I don't think this is the worst promotion because if you think about it, most of these items, if you pick up 3 of them, it's $20. So it's really not going to make a difference from what we were doing last month to this month. For example, if you buy 3 of these Doves at $7 a pop, that's $21. So how is that different from this week to last week? So before we get really excited and, get mad at the store, it's going to be, we'll figure out some deals. Mathematically, it's exactly the same as what was provided in September. Before we hop into the deals of the week, I just wanted to show you guys this little candy deal for $2.49 for the Hershey's. Now, if you might have received this $2 from the Tide Pod Tide Liquid deal, it would make it 49 cents, which is like a great way to use it, if this might interest you. If you want something a little bit more healthy, the cashews are $2.99. So with this, it would be 99 cents, which is a really good stock-up price for cashews. And this is a really good one, too, these nice cashews. I do like them. Okay, so let's look at the deals of the week. We have the 7-Up, 3 for $12.99. Wonderful Pistachio for $5.99. BOGO free on the Kellogg's cereal. $1.99 for the Arm & Hammer. That is really good. The toilet paper by Scott is $5, and we're not going to look at the Gillette unless we see a digital coupon, which I don't see as of this time. However, Arm & Hammer for $1.99. This is definitely a stock-up price. It's typically the liquid detergent, the pods, and the scent beads, which are quite glorious. I really like them. So remember last week we were doing that deal to get the $5.99 Tide? If you might have these two, let's throw it into a deal, shall we? I mean, just a quick way to get rid of these 2 smaller register rewards if you wish. Grabbing 3 of the Arm & Hammer liquids, getting ahead of myself there. It's $5.97 at $1.99 a pop. And then if you scan the 3 and the 2, that's $5 of register rewards melting off right there, and you're paying 97 cents plus tax. And if you don't have those register rewards and you want to use $5 in Walgreens cash, as long as you're not using a booster, absolutely go for it. So with the Scott toilet paper, we have a $1.25 IVC. And as I said at the beginning of the video, the big book of savings is gone. So that digital is of one-time use. So definitely, if you're going to buy it, maybe you'll buy a couple at a time or strategically use that IVC coupon. Grabbing 2 Scott products at $5 a pop. Loading that $1.25 IVC, it'll come off twice. You're paying $7.50 for the 2 or $3.75 per paper product. It is okay to use some Walgreens cash as long as you're not using this in concert with a booster. Please pay attention to that rule. So just a little bit of speculating here because I can't see the digital coupons that are provided. Sometimes with Olay, we get a 5 off of 3, so that'll make this a really good deal. But it's $7 for these Olays, and it's on the same promotion of spend 20, get back 5. So this might be a deal Sunday morning moving forward. We'll have to wait and see. Along with, as I described, this deal. Unfortunately, the $2 digitals that we were using, I think they all expire on Saturday. But if Dove gives us something great, this might be a deal. Or alternatively, you could use the $3 and the $2 register rewards and make that happen. But just possibly if we see some digital coupons for this that might manifest into a really good deal. Now, one deal we're going to look at, because I can see the digital coupons here, is 2 for $8 with the Garnier hair care. And we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and it's on the promotion of spend 20, get back a $5 reward, along with 3 for $15. And then we have a 4 off of 3 digital coupon for the Pantene, and it's on the exact same promotion of spend 20, get back 5. So grabbing 2 of the Garniers for 8, 3 of the Pantenes for 15, that's a total of 23. Might have that booster of spend 20, get back 5. Make sure you have it loaded, along with the $7 of digital manufacturers that we showed you or talked about in the slides previous. You're going to pay $16 with your debit card, and then get back $10 of Walgreens cash, 5 for the promotion of spending 20, and then 5 for the booster, making it $6 for the 5 or $1.20 per shampoo. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, and now we have these bagged Lysol wipes, and they're on a buy one get one free promotion, which is really nice. And so it's $6.99 for the 2. So it shakes it out to $3.49 per bag of wipes. That is a really good deal for Lysol wipes. I think these are always upwards of $5 or $6 in the store. Couple other deals that might manifest into something spectacular. $5.49 for the different household products. If you want to use a register reward for one of those, pay 49 cents and laugh all the way to the bank and back. And then the deal with the Gain 4 for $16, which is a really good price point for these products. I would stock up on softener because I have a problem with Gain fabric softener. It smells really great, but yeah. However you want to move that deal around, but it's a really good price point for that detergent. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions now. As stated at the beginning of the video, sometimes IBOTTA has rebates for this. I would not use digital coupons with, because it's been very, very fussy using that rebate app with digital or manufacturer paper coupons. But sometimes, if you could just get a couple of dollars here or there for these Kellogg's cereals, which are sometimes part of IBOTTA or the different rebate apps, definitely scan the product in store and see if anything attaches or if something might pop up later in the week. But BOGO Free is a really good deal for this cereal. Now we have another candy deal of BOGO 40% off on the party size candy bag. So these are the larger ones, like 135 pieces. So if you are stocking up for your trick-or-treaters, or you just want this in your household, this might be a deal to do. I would use points, register rewards, whatever you might have to lessen it out of pocket. And then for all the coffee drinkers out there, we have this Folgers for $4.49. I think it's at Meijer or most grocery stores around here. It's like $5.99 for a coffee this size. If you like Folgers, that's a good deal. And then also for all the soda drinkers out there, we have a buy 2, get 1 for free on the various Coca-Cola products. Now, before I take off, guys, I did post this video yesterday about Dollar General clearance. A lot of the stuff is not ringing up as I suspected, but a lot of it is. So definitely open up the Dollar General app and scan barcodes. The sale is taking place right up until Sunday the 25th. A lot of the fun in the sun summer stuff, and even stuff like disinfectant wipes for 75 cents. Really good price point. If you're a Dollar General shopper, you might want to check out the video linked right here. All the codes and information is provided. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.